Hi, I'm Dom Santiago. I'm from Chamberlain, South Dakota, and I am in the Diesel Power Light Truck Technology program at Mitchell Tech. So it kind of started when I was younger. I would always work in the garage with my dad when I was little, and it kind of just carried on throughout high school, and I really just enjoyed designing and building pickups and cars. Once I found out about Mitchell Tech, after I decided to transfer out of my four-year school, I really just fell in love with it even more.
The projects we have on hand, there's always something to do here. You grow step by step. You don't just get thrown onto something and expected to do it. I'm Memphis Vandenberg. I'm from Sioux Falls, and I'm here doing the Diesel Power Light Truck Technology program at Mitchell Tech. I really like how close the community is. You can really make friends with anybody. Everybody's interested in similar things and have similar goals.
Having a degree behind your back and being able to say, here, I've gone to school, I've done the work, you definitely are going to have an advantage of someone just coming off the street with no schooling. I came in with a lot of knowledge, but it's really an eye-opener. Sometimes you just think you know everything and you really don't. Our instructors are great here. I mean, you can really come and talk to them about anything, and even if you're slipping up in a different class and you're like, hey, I need help, they can point you in the right direction.
I really like how Mitchell Tech does classroom learning and lab learning. They're easy to talk to, easy to get along with. They know what they're doing. If you got a question, there's always an answer to it. The way they have it laid out, it's really easy to get that one-on-one time. Even if you are confused, you can still go back later and review stuff with your instructor, and they'll come back with you and kind of walk things over with you.
To juniors and seniors coming out of high school, I would definitely tell them to look into a trade school, because I've gone through the experience of both a four-year school and trade school, and you are going to save money. It's much more efficient, and so the amount of jobs and opportunities that are out there are nearly endless. I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
You will be the best at Mitchell Tech.